Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to trade crude oil in Metatrader 5. It's very easy to do. So the first thing you need to do is open Metatrader 5 like usually do. Then from here, it should show something like this. Now go to the left hand side and click on market watch. From here, you may find it's under oil key right here. And if you don't see it, you will need to go down to the small plus icon and click where it shows the list, then double click on it. From here, go to specification and type crude oil. Now you will see oil key. Click on it, then click show symbol and press OK. After that, go down and trade crude oil. To do this, go to the trading tab below, right click and select new order. You can also press F9 on your keyboard. From here, go to symbol and then find it under Nasdaq ATF RL key and double click on it. Now you can enter the volume, set your stop loss and take profit. Choose the fill policy and add a comment if you want. After that, click buy or sell and your trade will be placed. And that's how you do it. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comment section below. I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. If this video helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe.